Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Conexus Mastercard online. Conexus Mastercard is a credit card offered by Conexus Credit Union. To log in and access your Mastercard online, you need to follow some basic prompts. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in conexuscreditunionmycardinfo.com and press enter. You'll be redirected to this login page. You'll need to type in your username and password associated with your Conexus Credit Union account. If you don't have an account yet, you can enroll by clicking on the enroll link and follow through the registration process. Once you create an account for yourself, you can access your account 24/7 by entering your username in the first text box and then on the next field type in the correct password. If you don't remember your username or password, click the forgot username or password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. Finally, after filling in the details, click the login button to access your Conexus Mastercard account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.